You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation: large cat. For more cat names, stay tuned. Mngwa, Mngwa. In English, if you're going to pronounce this very well, you can always say it as Mngwa, Mngwa, or Mngwa. Word pronunciation: large cat. For more cat names, stay tuned. Mngwa, Mngwa. In English, if you're going to pronounce this very well, you can always say it as Mngwa, Mngwa, or Mngwa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.